I just potted up another succulent arrangement, so don't mind the little bit of mess that's right here. You probably just got done watching it earlier this week. I'm going to start off by using some of this cactus, citrus, palm, soil of mine. Okay. So I think I'm going to start with the cholla right here. I am going to try to put a lot of different succulents in here, so I'm not going to, I'm going to try to squeeze them to the sides as much as I can, so that way I can have a lot more room as well in the middle for some of the wider ones. I'm using a glove because although these don't have really long spikes, they still can get a little prickly. So I'm hoping now that I transplant the cholla and I keep her outdoors or in a well lit area, it will look better and thrive better. I love the little domino. This little guy is a trooper, I tell you. The growth of it has stunted, and that's because I don't think that one pot gave it enough room to stretch out. So I still got to figure out how I can get some turfus, because the turfus would go good with this to help create that desert theme look as top dressing, because I'm not wanting to do too much of the rock top dressing, because some of my succulents and cactus got root rot because it wasn't properly draining. Okay, so those two look good together, and I'm thinking, oh lady, or this furry one, or this one. I feel like this one, because it has those different colors. So I have a feeling like trying to be careful. I think this one, because it has the same shape as the domino. So I think that would go good. Let me just take some of this out. Look at the root system. It's pretty nice. This will be my first, guys, this would be my first desert theme arrangement. And I'm kind of proud of myself, actually. Oh. Glove stuck. Now, maybe I should move this just a little bit more to the side. So this is it. Another beautiful arrangement that I'm going to probably leave right here.